Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to reset Disney Plus password without email. Firstly, if you forgot the email address and if you cannot remember which email address you use, you may be able to find it linked to your billing statement or confirmations emails. And secondly, if you know the email but cannot log into it, but if you know the email address but no longer have access to the inbox, you will need to recover your email account first through your email provider. And lastly, changing your password. Open the Disney app or go to Disney Plus and select your profile icon and go to account, select manage with my Disney, select the pencil icon next to your password. Disney will send 6-digit verification code like this. You can reset Disney Plus password without email. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.